Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager. So first things first is go to your Google Tag Manager here. And once you're here, you're going to go on for the new tag. Go ahead and click on it. And then from here, choose any title, Google Analytics, let's say. And then from here, you're going to tap on the tag configuration. And then from here, you're going to choose Google Analytics. And then from here, you're going to choose Google Analytics GA4 event. And then from here, it's going to ask for a measurement ID. So in order to get the measurement ID, you have to go to Analytics, Google. And then from here, you're going to go here to this window and click on Admin. And then from here, you're going to go to Data Streams. And then from here, you're going to click on your site. And then from here, you will have the measurement ID. Go ahead and copy it and go to Google Tag Manager and paste it. And then what you're going to do is provide the necessary information in order to proceed. And once you're done, you can fill up more information below. And once you're done, you can just hit save and save the tag and make sure to submit it and publish your changes. And there you go. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!